Damn, I look a little rough right now, no kiss. But you already know who it is, man. It's Cam back with another video, man. I'm low-key thinking about changing my name from HBK Cam to something else. Cause I don't really mess with HBK Cam, but I just made it like that because I don't know, a long time ago. But in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna take y'all with me to doing Doordash, and I'm gonna give you like some tips and tricks on how to make the most money possible from doing Doordash and stuff. And excuse me if I look a little rough, man. I've been at work all day. But yeah, let's get right to the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like the video. Let me know what kind of videos you want me to drop next. And yeah. Right now I'm on my way to Wendy's. This is my first order. Right now I'm on my way to Wendy's. You can see. I'm on my way to Wendy's. And I'm getting $5.25 or $5.75 to drive 2 miles. Which leads me to the first tip when you're doing DoorDash. The first tip is to say you get an order for like 4 miles. Don't take the order unless you're making at least $8. So basically you have to make double $2 for every mile you drive. If that makes sense. $2 for every mile you drive. So if you're making $10, you gotta drive 5 miles. So if they give you an order for like seven miles and you making like $10, do not take it, because that's too many miles to be driving for that amount of money. Because you gotta drive there and you gotta drive back to like the hot zone or whatever. That's a tip. That's one tip. I just arrived at Wendy's, man. I'm surprised nobody's here, because usually it'd be way busier than this. Like sometimes I'll be coming here and I can't even take the order because it's like they be having me wait for like 20-30 minutes. But hold on. Pulling up to the drive right now.
Thank you for choosing one. We're going to use just one moment.
Alright. You said what?
You can order whenever you're ready.
Alright, I have a DoorDash for Lucas.
You have to come inside.
Alright. Man, see this is what I be talking about. They telling me to come outside, there's nobody in the line. And I just came here last week and I can go to the drive-thru. See, they be trying to change stuff, man. And if I go in here and my food ain't ready, I'm stopping everybody in this Wendy's, man. And I want a free 4 for 4. They better not be playing with my food, man. Be back with y'all boys. Man, I knew it, man. They told me to come inside and I was in there waiting for like 20 minutes. And everybody even in the drive-thru. I almost threw the chicken nuggets back at them because they was taking too long. But I said, let me not do it today. Oh yeah, I got a Zaxby's order. Like when I was walking inside, I saw somebody go to Zaxby's right now, because you can get like 2 orders at once. But that's the maximum you can get. You can't get more than 2 orders at once. But yeah, I'm about to go to Zaxby's right now. But I'm getting like, I think I'm getting like $12 from this order, from these 2 orders. And I think it's like 6 miles, something like that. Something like that, but yeah. I had another tip I was gonna tell y'all. Oh yeah, well, the times that DoorDash is busy the most. In the morning, from the breakfast shift is from like 6 to like 9, 10. And then it gets there from like 10 to like 11:30. Then it gets back up at like 12 to like 3. And then it gets there from 3 to 5. And then 5 to like 8:30, that's the dinner shift. And usually around that time, I know in my area, I live in Kentucky, Lexington or whatever. Usually around that time, that's where they do like bonuses. Like right now they're doing like a $2 bonus per delivery. Damn, I forgot. Oh yeah, Zaxby's. I don't know why, but like now they don't be letting DoorDash like go inside. I mean, go through the drive-thru no more. They always make us go inside now. Like, usually Zaxby's is cool about that. Yeah, every time I come to Zaxby's, it be done. I just picked up the Zaxby's order right there. It took like 5 minutes. It's not crazy compared to Wendy's, bro. Now I gotta confirm pickup. It's gonna take me to the address.
Proceed to Pike Road.
I just drive there and deliver it, man. Easy money. Another good tip about doing DoorDash or whatever is but when it's like raining or like snowing or like when it's like cold outside or something like that, you're gonna make more money from doing DoorDash. Precipitation equals pay. Like the more precipitation, the more pay you get. Cause nobody wants to get out and leave the house for real. So like, I think I did it when it was snowing, boy. I made like $40 in like 1 hour or some shit. Another tip is to I know in my city, doing DoorDash at like Walmart and stuff is horrible. Like if you live in like a city where the Walmart's just like not good, do not do Walmart orders. Cause them niggas be taking like hours to even like bring the food out. Like OGP, like they be taking like hours to bring the food. I don't even accept Walmart orders. It's not even worth it. And now, yeah, typically downtown is usually like where it's easier to make money because like everything's closer together. When you go to like the outskirts and stuff, you gotta drive a longer distance. But the upside about that is that like I feel like if you like when you in the outskirts and stuff, people typically pay more because that's where more of like wealthier people live, upper middle class people live. But downtown, everything like you can make quick money in short periods of time. So that's what I do. I do downtown orders. It might. What the hell? You trying to get?
In half a mile, turn right onto.
You trying to get hit, bro? Man, this girl walking in the middle of the street. Man, these people trying to come up and check, man. I swear to God, I ain't paying you nothing. Order from Walgreens, you know, the little shopping forum or whatever. And I'm gonna deliver the order. But yeah, you can get orders from Walgreens. You just gotta go in Walgreens and just go in there and it'll tell you like what to get. You just go in there and get it. For some reason the audio cut out, but I did it for about 1.5 hours, and that's how much money I made. $26.50. You feel me? That's not bad. You feel me? This is a good order. This is a good order. $15 for 3 miles. That's a good order. Yes. Yes. I just went to both of those restaurants. You got the food, bam, bam, bam. Two orders, two restaurants, 2 orders, whatever. Now it's time to drive there and get that moolah. Yeah, so I just did those 2 orders. Let me try that. Yeah, bro. I mean, it's so hard to record and do this at the same time, bro. But I just did them 2 orders. I delivered them or whatever. I try to like record me like actually doing it, but I ain't trying like if somebody come outside when I'm doing that, like dropping off their food in, like what the hell are you doing? Like why you record my house? So that's why I didn't really do it. But I just got another order to someplace called Ghost Chicken. I don't know what that is. But so far, I've been DoorDashing for 2 hours and I made $44. And the order I'm doing right now, I'm making $13. Basically $14 from it, so that'll be about $57. You hear me? $58. Damn, bro, focus, man. Shit, focus, nigga. Damn, I must be an ugly ass nigga, but man, focus, nigga. Bro, come on, man. Pretty pussy, pussy pig. You pussy nigga. Pussy nigga, they call me the goat. When they spin it on the coat. I got your taxes in my pocket. Fuck the government. I ain't trying to get copyright claim. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all after I get this order right here. Yeah. So I just picked up that order. I was in there for like 30 minutes, no cap, like dead ass 30 minutes. But when I was in there, they gave me another order at Qdoba, so that's where I'm gonna go now for like $7.50. So for real, I'm better get like $22 off this one order. These 2 orders. I gotta focus on driving, so I'm gonna get back to y'all boys, man. Stay cute, stay safe. You feel me? You getting that money. You feel me? I'll see you boys. I just got the other order, Qdoba. Now I'm better go deliver it. You feel me? You see, I'm not in the car no more, man. I know I'm on dirty. You don't see? Don't look at that. Don't look. But I ended up finishing dashing or whatever. I did like 2 more orders. I didn't really record it for real because I was trying to hurry up and get done with it. You feel me? Because I got things to do. I gotta go to the gym and stuff. But I ended up making, I think, $77. I'm gonna put the screenshot right here, right there. But yeah, I ended up making like $77. I think for like 3.5 hours, something like that. That's pretty good for a day. That's more than I usually make, to be honest. It's Cam and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see y'all.